Hi there, I'm Carol Ritchie, Cooking with Carol. I'm here at Oye Amigos in Marshall, Michigan. We had a lovely meal here tonight, and this summer I actually taped some footage of the kitchens and also enjoy that footage, and I brought some goodies home to make a special casserole that is the family favorite, so stay tuned. Here's a little tour of the kitchen with the owner, Jerry.
This is her chicken product that she's working on.
Okay.
And it's chicken breast that we cut up. And then she'll put butter in there.
Okay.
Put it on the stove and cook it till it's done.
Oh, beautiful. That looks so good. Very fresh.
This is where our cheese comes from.
Okay.
40-pound block.
You shred it yourself.
We cut it and then we shred it ourselves.
Oh, wow.
See, that's where she's doing potatoes.
Wow. Oh, so you're doing potatoes for the meat. Oh, see, and that makes the difference of shredding your own.
Same thing with cheese. It's better if it's just fresher. It's just got more. And Emilio went with a Longhorn style cold. That's what he went with, and we stayed with it.
Oh, fantastic. That is the big difference too, is the garnish. You have fresh iceberg and lettuce and tomato on most things. So good.
Yeah,
so good.
Unless we have to, we don't buy lettuce.
Okay.
We cut our own lettuce.
Fantastic.
Buy it by the head and cut it.
Oh, that's great.
This is the cooler.
Nice.
This is where we keep everything.
All the tortillas. Yes.
And that's got your hot sauce, your gravy, and whatever.
Beautiful.
And over here you got your gravy, your meat, your chicken, your rice up there.
So prep is pretty straightforward, and you've got everything that you need, all your building blocks.
Yeah,
So
and we mark it, so it's dated, so you're always rotating.
Oh, you got
Start
yep.
cooling
Yes.
down, and this is how you cool food properly. You put ice petals in it, so as you see, they have ice petals in it, so it cools it down faster.
Brilliant.
Hamburger, we get it in 10-pound sleeves.
Okay.
And we
great.
cook 30 pounds at it, or 20 pounds at a time.
Nice.
And then add it with the potatoes.
Okay, introduce this lovely lady who's right here.
This is my daughter, Carrie.
Hi, Carrie. So this is it. We are in the kitchen
You
at
are in the kitchen.
Oye Amigos. Oh my gosh. This is so exciting. So this is the
Very
prep.
simple.
Yes, very simple and very
And
straightforward.
what's nice is you only have 1 or 2 steps from the stove to the steam table.
Okay.
So you're not walking, and it's like you go from here to there to here.
So it's a very I think that's why you guys are so great, is because you're so efficient. You have been doing this for years, and it's easy to get the flavor consistent.
There you go. And
You know.
This is Mel, one of my
Hello.
faithful employees. I talked about how many years have you been here? 13. I said most of my employees have at least been here 10 years.
Oh, what do you love about working here?
I like my customers.
Yes, yes.
And you're bosses, right?
Yeah.
All right.
What's
we got to get that one in.
What's your favorite thing that you like to eat, or have lunch or dinner if you're gonna eat?
I usually eat the burrito with gravy on it.
Yes, gravy is so good.
It's good.
We want to thank you so much for everything. And Miss Carrie, is there anything you want to say today? It's always great to see you.
It's great to see you.
And it looks like you're
Pulling out your carrots, Kurt's carrots.
Thank you. I know, it's so funny. Every time we come here, tell them what you do. You see
Bring out a side of carrots.
Yep, you see Kurt, my husband, coming, and you take all the carrots out of the hot pepper and then bring him a plate of carrots.
Yep.
It is so much fun. And he puts all of it on his food. It's so great. It's so great. Oh, we didn't talk about the green salsa.
Yep, that's what's going on right now.
This is what Carrie's making right now is the hot sauce.
Okay, awesome. So it's just basically the...
So you take the peppers and we don't even de-still them or seed them because it's a lot of work.
Sure.
Some people don't like that, but we're not going to do it. It just takes too long.
It's easy to pick the stems out, honestly, it is.
So she's going to cook this down, and then she's going to add some spices and some vinegar, and that was what makes that.
It's unique. There's no salsa like it.
No.
Not in this world. And the carrots, you leave some in, but you take most of them out.
Yep.
Which,
We take them out, yep.
that is great. I can feel it in my throat.
There you go. And we really don't call it a salsa, we call it a hot sauce because we have a salsa made with tomato.
Oh, right, right.
So we call that salsa and this is hot sauce.
This is hot sauce.
Or swamp sauce, or what else do they call it?
Someone called it dragon's
Right. All kinds of good things.
There is nothing like it. I'm just going to get a good shot of that. Good stuff.
I'm pulling out peppers for the stuffed chorizo that are stuffed with chorizo and cheese, so we can stuff those.
Oh, I don't think so. Oh, yes, no, we have.
Yeah.
We did order those. So tell us about what that is again. It's a stuffed.
Yep, so we take the stem off, we de-seed them, and then we put chorizo and cheese in them, and then we bread them and fry them.
Oh, fantastic. Oh,
And the chorizo we get is one of the best on the market too because it comes again from the Mexicana and they make their own.
oh, wow. Now that's the source that Emilio always used, right?
Yes. Yep.
Wow, that is so great. It's consistent. Consistent. I love that.
And I'm going to show you this. This is how we make our taco shells.
Oh, my favorite.
We take a soft tortilla. We put a piece of tinfoil in so you can do two at a time.
Okay.
And then you use this and you put it in like that. And that's how we make our own taco shells.
Oh, fantastic. That is how you do it. Oh, I love that. And you even...
Most people like them, some people don't because they're too hard.
No, I think they're perfect.
I like them hard so that way it doesn't fall apart when you eat it.
Yeah, because all the beans soak in there and it just gets so good.
And that's what she's doing right now. She's making chalupa shells.
Oh, my other favorite. Chalupas. So those are just frying up.
Yeah, and put in the French fryer and make some chalupa shells.
Oh, fantastic. Look at these beautiful pots of yumminess.
We got a pot of rice cooking here.
Nice. Good stuff.
This is the gravy she's eating now.
Oh, yummy.
Meat. That's
Oh,
meat.
looks so good.
And here's the beans that we talked about. These aren't made yet. She's got to add flour to them, stir them in, and mash them up.
Beautiful. Is that a whisk in there or is that just a stirring
It's
spoon?
just a stirring thing.
Oh, I love that. That's
You
great.
have to put a masher in there.
Yep. Beautiful.
And here's the grape butter we talked about.
Oh, that's it.
And all that is a Gordon food service water.
Okay, great.
It's not really butter, it's water.
Okay,
A lot
awesome.
of people don't know.
And do you guys warm the tortillas on the grill before you put them out?
Yes.
Just throw them on there, da-da-da, done.
Well, I like to dip with water, but these guys don't.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. You dip them in water? Oh, that's cool.
The tortillas are usually a pan of water here, and you dip them, and you throw them on the grill, and that kind of steams them.
Oh, that's brilliant. That's really smart. I love it. And here is the casserole inspired by Jerry. I'll show you the steps. You'll need a pint of beef and bean chili and 9 buttery tortillas, flour, corn, or combo, and layer those in a pan, 3 of them to start. Then add about a cup of the beef and bean chili. I use an offset spatula to spread it. I find that's the easiest way to do it. Add another layer of tortillas. Add 1 more cup of the beef and bean chili and spread it out. And you will also finish with another layer of tortillas. I make a pico de gallo topping with red pepper, jalapeños, red onions, cilantro, and tomato. Stir that up in a medium bowl. We performed at the Grand Magic Theater that night, so it was really easy for me to preheat my oven to 375 and bake it for 30 minutes. Listen to that sizzle. Present it with your bonus topping and fresh lettuce, cheese, and tomatoes on top. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'd like to say a special thank you to the family at Oye Amigos. They really are family to all of us. Hope you enjoyed, and Merry Christmas, everyone.